If you own a cat or dog, you probably feel like they're part of the family. But what if you, your friends, or your family can't even step into the house because of the smell or pet allergies? Even if you don't own a pet, you may have other air quality concerns, especially if you have children. Mold, viruses, bacteria, and other contaminants can negatively affect your sleep, how you feel, and even your long-term health. Well, check out the Air Angel and say goodbye to all those issues. This innovative nanotechnology will sanitize the air and surfaces, removing allergens, viruses, bacteria, and odors, even odors in fabrics. It's based off of a NASA technology developed for deep space missions, and this compact and powerful unit can protect up to 250 square feet. And veterinary hospitals say that they use the Air Angel technology to not only keep odors at bay, but also to remove kennel cough by creating a healthier environment for their animals. It's easy to use as well, with zero maintenance needs for the first year, and you can take it with you anywhere you and your family go, including in the car with the car adapter. Air Angel technology is used in numerous hospitals, schools, pet groomers, grocery stores, and even resorts